So today we got a very special episode for you guys. We have two boxes, and actually these two sets go together. They are set 76102, Thor's Weapon Quest, and set number 76107, Thanos Ultimate Battle. This escape pod supposedly connects to the Milano. So I'm excited to get in and do both of these speed builds for you guys, and I guess we'll just get right into it, starting with set number 76102. This is set 76102 on the LEGO's Marvel Superheroes Edition, Thor's Weapon Quest. It has 223 pieces and includes 3 minifigures, and is from the film Avengers Infinity War. On the top of the box you can see you get an adult Groot. Well, we'll just get right in and unbox this and start building. Alright, that concludes our speed build of this LEGO Marvel Superheroes set number 76102, Thor's Weapon Quest. This 223 piece was a fun little build. I like the detail of this small spaceship, and Rocket Raccoon fits in there perfectly as the pilot. There's also a back hatch that opens up on the back, and 2 shooting mechanisms on this ship. And I will fire those now. It came with plenty of extra firing parts for these shooters. And then there's some pretty good decals on this set, bringing in the details on the side, on the top, and on the other side. This is just like the movie where Thor has to channel the energy into the furnace to make his weapon. So once he does that, he can take off these, push this out, and he gets his weapon. And then Groot is the one actually who lends him his part of his arm for the branch. So that concludes the build on this set. We're just going to move along and do the next build, which is this LEGO Marvel set. Set number 76107, Thanos Ultimate Battle. And this connects to the back of it, so I'm excited to see how that kind of works and what it looks like.